I'm Dr. Claire Charlton, and I'm the Director of Current Environmental and a Research Associate with Curtin University's Centre for Marine Science and Technology. I'd like to introduce to you our long-term population monitoring program, the Australian Right Whale Research, that we complete in southwestern Australia at 3 study sites at the head of the Bight, Fowlers Bay and Encounter Bay. The work at the head of the Great Australian Bight has been ongoing since 1991, when the project was founded by Dr. Stephen Burnell. A project spanning 4 decades couldn't happen without the collaboration and contribution from many organisations, funders, people, volunteers, students. So we would like to acknowledge all the people that are involved over the years. We would also like to acknowledge the First Nations people from across Australia where the southern right whales visit. We honour their connection to the land, sea and whales, and we pay our respects to their elders past and present. Our mission is to deliver world-class long-term research for the protection and management of endangered southern right whales, whilst sharing their story through science, community engagement, education and policy. The Minderoo Foundation's support is helping us to secure the recovery and future of southern right whales in Australia. The 3 key objectives that we are fulfilling with support from Minderoo are to continue the long-term population monitoring in primary calving grounds, to complete visual health assessments of southern right whales in Australia, and to understand the links between southern right whale recovery, demographics and climate change. The 2022 was a really successful field season, and some of the key achievements of our season include we were able to collect 1,165 sightings of southern right whales, of which 90% were female and calf pairs and 10% were adults without calves. We completed 61 surveys across 3 sites across our 3-month field season, and these were completed from land, from vessel or from the air between May and October. We successfully photo-identified 164 unique individuals, and these were collected from over 20,000 images that were taken across the season. The calving intervals recorded for southern right whales in 2022 were on average 4.5 years, which is significantly greater than previously recorded for southern right whales in Australia. There was 89% successful positive matches of reproductive females when compared to the long-term photo identification catalogue. So this means that almost 90% of the breeding females that we photo identified this year had already previously been sighted and included in our long-term photo identification catalogue. So these are known females that have returned to the site over years that we have their life history data for.